a yoga instructor and fitness instructor, and I had 3 babies. And after having all 3 babies, I started to realize that no matter how hard I worked, no matter how much weight I lost or how much muscle mass I put back on, I wasn't seeing some of the changes that I wanted to see.
When women have children, their muscles in their abdomen separate, and they sometimes don't come back. And so what happens is that's how they get the little pooch in the lower abdomen region, and it stays there for life.
Before I met Dr. Thornton, I didn't know what I was going to need to have done in order to feel like myself again.
She had a very interesting problem with her abdomen, meaning that she didn't have a lot of skin to remove, but she had a huge separation of her muscles.
He convinced me and explained to me the things that I needed to do, and that no matter how much fitness I did, I wasn't going to see the changes that I wanted to, just because of, having 3 babies and what it does to your body.
I came up with a plan with her. It's called an umbilical float. You can't force that procedure on everyone, and you have to pick that person exactly. And Taya was the perfect person, so she had a mommy makeover. With her, I did the minimally invasive tummy tuck, where I just make a small incision in the bottom, and I release the belly button, and it allows it to float upward. And then I go all the way up to almost near the breastbone, and I sew up her muscles all the way from the breastbone all the way down to her pubic bone. And that literally brings her abdomen back into its normal alignment, so it gets real tight. And then I just stitch her belly button exactly back down where it was before, and then I pull out the excess skin. Well, good candidates in particular for mommy makeovers are just women who are between the ages of 35 and 45. That's kind of our average, that have grown kids and now they want their body back. Usually it's some sort of breast revision surgery in combination with abdominal revision surgery. So when you're done, they have improved breast and they have improved abdomen. And that's really what the mommy makeover is.
I am so glad that I went with Dr. Thornton. I'm so glad that I had this procedure done, because I feel like myself again. I now feel like I look how I feel. It was probably the best decision I ever made.